Your body is holding something that has been sitting inside you for years, and it is waiting for the right environment to finally let go. If something inside you just said, "Yes, that is me," then what I'm about to share with you is something that I have been building since 2025 May, specially for you. My name is Ruchi Kannar, and I want to speak directly to all my community members. You have been showing up for yourself, doing the inner work with me, and you have felt the shift in your mind and body, and I appreciate that you have made real progress, but you have realized that there is still something more in your body that needs your attention. Then listen carefully. I want to tell you something that very few people know about me. Over the past several years, I have spent over 20 lakh rupees attending the most premium, most expensive healing retreats, not just in India, but across the world. I have been a part of international retreats at the best healing spaces, not as a tourist, not for a vacation, as a student, learning everything I could possibly learn, experiencing everything I could, so that one day I could bring it all back to my community members. And every single time I came back from one of those retreats, I feel massive transformation in myself, not just in my mind, in my body, in my energy. My next 6 months after every retreat I attended feels completely different and fresh. I feel lighter and more alive. And I kept thinking, my students deserve this experience too. All my community members deserve to feel what I feel after being a part of premium luxurious retreats. One day, I was sitting on my bed. It was 30th May 2025, exactly 1 year ago. I picked up my notebook and I wrote down a promise. 30th May 2026. I am going to launch the most powerful healing retreat for my community members. I'm going to make this retreat so powerful by bringing together everything I have learned from some of the most premium healing spaces in the world. I wrote the date in my notebook. For the 1 full year, I worked in silence. I handpicked every activity, every experience, and every moment of what those 3 days of my retreat would look like. And today, exactly 1 year later, that promise is going to come true. Now, I want to explain something to you, something that changed the way I understand healing completely. Your body holds memories, and some emotions get stored so deep at a cellular level inside your body that they become a part of you. These are not surface level emotions, these are body memories sitting deep inside, sometimes for years, sometimes since our childhood. And these body memories need something very special to release. They need physical presence. They need the right environment, a space that have the right energy for your body to finally let go of what has been holding since a very long time. Our online sessions are the foundation of your healing. They are powerful, they work, but the cellular level needs, they are powerful and they work, but the cellular level needs something more, something that only happens in person, in the right space, with the right energy around you. And this brings me to something I have never been able to share with my students before, a healing technique called sensory energetics. I learned sensory energetics directly from its founder, Daniel Flasher, one of the most sought after and the most expensive healers in the world. His single session cost 2300 euros, that is approximately 2.5 lakh rupees for one single session. And the moment I experienced sensory energetics for the first time, I knew this is unlike anything I have ever felt. It works directly with the body, with the senses, with what is stored at the deepest cellular level, And then here is what makes this completely unique. Sensory energetics has never been offered in any retreat in India. It is that exclusive, it is that rare. Until now, for the very first time in India, I am bringing sensory energetics to our healing retreats for 15 of you. So 15 of you are going to become among the very first people in India to experience sensory energetics. Now I want to answer a question you might be thinking. There are other retreats out there, so why this one? Why with me? Let me tell you exactly why. First, everything inside those 3 days has been handpicked from over 20 lakhs worth of international retreat experiences. You are getting the best of everything I have ever experienced in the most premium healing spaces in the world, condensed into 3 days for you. Second, this is not a large event. This is not 1000 people in a room. This is just 15 women because I want to give personal attention to each one of you, and that kind of attention only happens in a small, intimate group. Third, this is a fully luxurious residential experience, a beautiful luxury villa in Gurgaon. Your stay will be taken care of, your special chakra healing meals will be taken care of, your complete healing will be taken care of, your comfort will be taken care of, and everything else.